He's begging to
my
fish
buddy
for money.
Malouche is producing some porn. You guys should get involved. They say it makes you feel pretty good about yourself.
This was a stupid idea. Let's get out of here.
Buddy, I'm not ready yet. Yeah, this is my boy Beruz. He imports rugs. Take the one on the end. She's related to Judith Light. Won't shut up about it.
I'm just gonna go.
Oh, thank God. That guy sucked so much. I only invited him because our folks had to escape Tehran together. We left everything behind. Our house, our cars, my little brother. Oh, my God, this is my song. I totally asked him to play this.
You know, that's plagiarism. I'm gonna call the Da Vinci family when I get home. You're gonna owe them so much money.
I don't even care.
You are one cool customer.
And that just pisses you off, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
You want to shoot me, don't you?
You have no idea.
Well, why don't you do it then?
Think I won't? Because I will.
Good, I'll shoot you right back.
I'm gonna do it.
I'm cocking my gun.
One, safety's off.
2. Mine was never on. 3.
So how'd you know I was wearing a vest?
I didn't. But I'm a robot, so it's no big deal for me to dump stuff. Did you know I was wearing a vest?
Oh, I was already composing.